አሉ
እንጀምራችሁ ያምር ስለመጣሁ በጣም ደስ ያለኝ ካሜራ ፊት ለፊት ቆሜ በጣም ነው ደስ ያለኝ። ልነግራችሁ አልችልም። እና ጀመርን እኮ በዋች ሞጆ
እንዴት ናችሁ?
አለና
ዋች ሞጆ ነው ዛሬ መጣ።
ዋች ሞጆ ምንድነው? 10
ኮንስፓይረሲ ቲዮሪ
በአማርኛ ምንድነው?
መላምት
ማረም አይደለም። መላምትማ እውነት ሊሆኑ የሚችሉ መላምቶች፣
እውነት ሊሆኑም ላይሆኑም የሚችሉ መላምቶች።
ኢሉሚናቲ
ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ካሉ ኮንስፓይረሲዎች ትልቁ ኢሉሚናቲ።
ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ካሉ ኮንስፓይረሲ ቲዮሪዎች ምንድን ነው?
ኢሉሚናቲ ነው እንዳለ ዘፋኝ ሁሉ።
ኦኬ። ሌላ
ብዙዎቹ ወደ ፖለቲካ ስለሚሄዱ
አይ ከፖለቲካ ውጭ
እንጃ ምን አለ።
አበበ በሱ አልበላ እሱ ነው።
ሌላ አለ እንዴ? ኮንስፓይረሲ ቲዮሪ የሆነ
ነገር አይጠፋም።
ፖለቲካ ነው አብዛኛው
ኢንተረስት እንዴት ኮንስፓይረሲ ማለት ነው? ይገርማል።
ከፖለቲካ ጋር ነው የሚገርመው።
ዴርቶ ጋዳ ውስጥ ልክ ነው። ዋሻ አለ
ዴርቶ ጋዳ ውስጥ
መጽሐፍ ውስጥ ዋሻ አለ ሰማለሁ። ኦኬ አምኜው ነበር እኮ በእናትህ። ስንት ያክፍል ነበር እኮ ነው? 7 ያክፍል ነበር።
አሁን የምታምን ከሆነ ነው የሚያስደነግጠው እንጂ
ዴር 33
አብዛኞቹ ይልክ አሁን አሉ እኮ ግን ብዙዎቹ ከሃይማኖትና ከፖለቲካ ጋር ስለሚገናኙ ብዙ ሰው ፌንድ ታረጋ።
አዎ ልክ ነሽ።
ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንትን ማለት
እስቲ ለማንኛውም ስለዚህ እኛ ምን አገባን ብለን የነጮችን መላምት
እነሱ ደግሞ ኦፌንድ
አብራችሁን ቆዩ።
ሌላ ሰው ነው እያሉት ነው።
Because the internet's convinced it's a doppelganger or even a clone. Welcome to Watch Mojo. And today we're counting down our picks for the most theories surrounding figures that refuse to die. Mostly because they may just be true.
Almost 30 years after his death, a brand new Andy is alive rumor is raging through the internet.
Number 10. Britney Spears' meltdown was orchestrated by the Bush administration. During the height of the Iraq War, the public breakdown of pop icon Britney Spears dominated global headlines. In 2007, Spears shaved her head, attacked paparazzi, and spiraled through a series of highly publicized incidents that seemed to eclipse almost every other news story.
She literally grabbed the hair clipper and started doing it herself.
Well, conspiracy theorists later pointed to the suspicious timing. Several of Spears' most notorious moments coincided with damaging
It's Britney, bitch.
It's Britney, bitch.
That's exactly how media distraction works. A sensational celebrity story can instantly overwhelm political coverage. And, well, the Bush administration was known for carefully managing news cycles. Meanwhile, tabloids and cable networks fed a relentless 24-hour frenzy around Spears. Coincidence?
Why is Britney?
የእንትን ኤፍቢአይ ይከታተለኛል ብሎ በቃ የሚያምን ሰው
እውነቱን እኮ ነው።
ከዛ መጨረሻ ላይ ፋይል አለው በስትክክል ከሞተ በኋላ ስታይ እንትኖችን
እውነቱን ነው የተከታተሉት ነበር።
ኧረ በእናትሽ እቺ የአሜሪካ ግዛት ሆና ግዛት ያልሆነችው ላቲኖ ሀገር ፖርቶሪኮ የስለለው ብዛት በመድኃኔ እያንዳንዱን ሰው ይሰልሉት አውቀው እንትን ይሰራሉ ምናምን የአንደኛውን ሚስት እንደዚህ እንዳይስማሙ እኮ በመድኃኔ ቁጭ አስበው የስለላ ተቋም ቁጭ ሲያይደቀው ነው። እቺ ልጅ ለምንድን ነው ከእንትና ጋር
ማናደርጋታ?
በስማ
relentless 24-hour frenzy around Spears.
የቡሽ 9/11 እሱ ነው ይባላል።
Number 9. Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes' relationship was arranged by Scientology.
ሊሆን ይችላል ላምነው ይችላል።
The relationship
ከሳይንቶሎጂ ከሆነ ሁለቱም ከሆኑ በኋላ አይደል እንትን ያሉት
ሲጀመር የዚህ ሰዓት ስንት አመት ሳይንቶሎጂ ነበር
እኮ በሚስቱ እኮ ነው እሱ ራሱ
የድሮ የመጀመሪያው ማለት ከዛ በኋላ እኮ ኒኮል ኪድማንን አግብቶ ልጆች አዳፕት አድርጎ እሷንም ሳይንቶሎጂ አድርጓ ከዛ ተፋተው ልጆቹ ከእናታቸው ጋር መገናኘት አቆመው። ምክንያቱም ሳይንቶሎጂ ስለማይፈቅድ
ልጁ ራሱ አያይም እኮ
አሁን አያትም እኮ
የእሷም ሳይንቶሎጂ ነች።
የኬቲ ሆልምስን እኔ እንጃ አላውቅም፣ አይመስለኝም ግን አይ ቲንክ ሆፑ ነገር ነበር መሰለኝ
ያኔ ሆፑ ነው
ትሆናለች ተብሎ መሰለኝ።
ኦኬ አይ እንትን ማለት
ዊርድ ሆነባት መሰለኝ።
አረ ዊርድ ነው
was arranged by Scientology. When Tom Cruise began dating Katie Holmes in 2005, the relationship escalated at lightning speed. Within weeks, Cruise famously jumped on Oprah Winfrey's couch declaring his love, and the pair were married the following year. Many began floating a theory that the relationship had been arranged by the Church of Scientology to help strengthen Cruise's public image. The speculation gained traction years later when former Scientology
የእምነቱን ሃይማኖቱን የፈጠረው ሰውዬ እኮ እንትን ጻፊ እኮ እንደ ምንድነው እንደ ቱር ምናምን አይነት ነገሮች የሚጽፍ ሰውዬ
Diners claimed the organization had previously tried to find Cruise a partner who would be supportive of its teachings.
So when people say Tom doesn't leave because they have information on him or John, that's not the reason. The amount of power they receive from this church is like nothing in Hollywood. It is like nothing. There is no reason for them to leave this environment.
Holmes had publicly said as a teenager that she dreamed of marrying Cruise, and so it's all too possible they saw her as the perfect piece for Tom's romantic puzzle. Number 8. Disney stars self-destruct to escape contracts.
Maybe.
Over the years, multiple young performers launched by the Walt Disney Company bopper years ended. Fans often point to stars like Miley Cyrus, Britney Spears, and Lindsay Lohan as prime examples of artists who dramatically shed their wholesome images. The conspiracy theory claims some stars intentionally behave provocatively to break away from restrictive branding or contractual demands. It's only natural that they would want to be free.
ዋልት ዲዝኒ እንትን ብሎ እኮ አለ እስከዛሬ ሞቷል ግን
እንትን ብሎ ፍሪዝ
ተደርጓል
ሆፕፉሊ አንፍሪዝ እንደሚሆን ነገር
የሆነ ጊዜ
Heck, when Miley Cyrus approached the 2013 MTV VMAs, she later said she wanted to kill the Hannah Montana image. Number 7. Celebrities use body doubles at public events.
Maybe.
Presidential celebrities
That's because body doubles are common in Hollywood, mostly in film or things like stunt work. But some believe celebrities send stand-ins to public appearances as well. Fans have even claimed to spot possible doubles. Jim Carrey appeared in social media lit up.
ማርጀቱ እኮ አይደለም የሆነ ነገር አድርጎታል ፊቱን አርጅቷል እኮ ቦቶክስ ምናምን ተወግቶ ነው እንጂ አርጅቶማ አይተሻል ጸጉሩን አሲዞ አይደብርም በቃ አርጅቷል
ደግሞ ቦዲ ደብል simple explanation illumination
Speculation that the man on stage looked noticeably different from the actor audiences knew.
Tu es un ange.
ሚስቱ ነው
አይመስለኝም No, ራሱ ነው
Despite the official statement from the César Awards and Carrey's rep denying it, many are still convinced it wasn't the real Jim Carrey.
A rep for Jim confirms to ET it was indeed just Jim who attended the awards ceremony. And if you need more proof, a representative from the Caesar Awards tells us Jim was there with his loved ones, longtime publicists, and 12 close members of his inner circle.
Politicians and royals historically using lookalikes for security reasons. Why wouldn't your favorite celeb?
Like a Jim Carrey double. Jim Carrey double. Oh yeah, that's amazing. So what I do is I send him off in one direction. Have my day. Whatever you want to do. Wherever I want.
Number 6. Taylor Swift versus Katy Perry was a PR operation. The rivalry between Taylor Swift and Katy Perry dominated music headlines for years.
ፐብሊክ እንትን ለማሆን ተብሎ ፌክ ፋብሪኬት የሚደረግ የፒአር እንትን ማለት ነው
ኦኬ ናቸው ነው
አውቀው ነው ነገር ነው ግን አሁን
Perry was a PR operation. The rivalry between Taylor Swift and Katy Perry dominated music headlines for years. It reportedly began over backup dancers leaving Swift's tour for Perry's, then exploded when Swift released Bad Blood in 2014, widely believed to be about Perry.
Baby, now we got bad blood.
However, conspiracy-minded fans noticed the drama conveniently coincided with major album campaigns and tours.
ሁለቱም በደንብ ሰርተውበታል
The feud generated massive publicity for both singers and kept them trending for years.
Katy Perry's new album came out last night, and at the exact time, Taylor Swift decided to release her entire catalog on every streaming service available.
And come their eventual axe bearing in 2019, when Perry appeared in Swift's "You Need to Calm Down" video, it felt a little too tidy. arguments, and finally, reconciliation. Number 5. Frank Sinatra is Ronan Farrow's biological father.
What? That kid is Frank Sinatra's kid. 1,001,000,000%. Because me and Farrow used to bang Frank Sinatra.
Journalist and filmmaker Ronan Farrow is the son of filmmaker Woody Allen and actress Mia Farrow. But for years, speculation has swirled that his real father is legendary singer Frank Sinatra.
Is this handsome 25-year-old Frank Sinatra's love child? It's today's celebrity Trinity guessing game that has everyone doing a double take.
Farrow and Sinatra had a famously close relationship long after their marriage ended, and Ronan's striking blue eyes and facial features draw remarkable comparisons to the crooner. The rumor gained traction in 2013 when Mia Farrow told Vanity Fair that Sinatra was possibly Ronan's biological father.
I just asked Mia point blank, is Ronan Frank Sinatra's son? And so what was her answer? I asked her.
Frank Sinatra ማለት ነው ሁሉ ጊዜ ኪስ ውስጥ 10 ዳይም ይይዛል። ለምን እንትና ልጁ እንትን እያለ ልጁ ታገደበት። ከዛ በሚደውለው በእንትን በእንትን ከዛ ብቻ ልጁ መጣ። ከዛ ሁሉ ጊዜ አይምሮ ውስጥ ምን ፍራቻ አለ? ሳንቲሙ ቢያልቅ ሚል ፍራቻ እስኪሞት ድረስ ኪስ ውስጥ 10 ዳይም አለ እና ልጁ ሲሞት 10 ዳይም አድርጋለታለች ሲሞት ድረስ
face to face. She said possibly.
Ronan himself has joked about the Where's Maury Povich when you need him? Number 4. Beyonce's first pregnancy was faked.
Appeared on an Australian. And crumpled.
አውቀው ነው ያሳበዷት ምናምን አይነት ኮንስፒረሲ ማመን ነው ፈልግ
Beyonce announced she was expecting her first child.
ወንዲ ብለስ አበሽተኛ እኮ እብደት ሳይሆን ምንም ነገር አታስተውስ የሚሆነው ውስጥ ይዘት
ስትወርቅ አይቻታል ስቴጅ
TV interviews soon trigger conspiracy theories.
But what this moment exposed to some even caught us by surprise. Here it is slowed down. As Beyonce sits down with Molly Meldrum,
እርጉዝ አልነበረችም
ግን ምንድነው የመረንተን እኮ
caused a worldwide
During the appearance, Beyonce sat down and her baby
caused to some even caught us by surprise. Here it is again, slowed down. As Beyonce sits down with Molly that crease caused a worldwide controversy.
During the appearance, Beyonce sat down and her baby bump appeared to briefly fold inward, leading some viewers to believe she was wearing a prosthetic belly. The speculation intensified because the singer kept details of the pregnancy private. Extremely tight hospital security.
They're adopting, but they're going to play it off like it's allegedly, that they gave birth. I don't know.
Supporters insist these details were
simply እነዚህ ሰዎች ምን ፈልግ እንዴ ቢሉስ አንቺ ነሽ እንደዚህ እኔ ኳለ
and she was in fact pregnant the entire time. However, the unusually controlled situation makes us wonder. Number 3. Andy Kaufman staged his death.
Even you asked me last time I was on your show if I was going to have a lawsuit, right. I could have sued you. I could have sued you for everything you're worth. Well, I didn't. I'm not that kind of a guy.
Yeah. Now, you know what kind of a guy are you?
Few entertainers blurred the line between reality and rank like Andy Kaufman. The avant-garde comedian built his career on elaborate hoaxes, fake feuds, and surreal performances.
You don't know the real me.
There isn't a real you.
Jim Carrey.
I forgot.
Audiences were constantly left unsure what was real and what wasn't. When Kaufman died of lung cancer in 1984 at just 35, many refused to believe it. Friends have even noted Kaufman once joked about faking his own death. The speculation intensified decades later. Comedy Club in Manhattan, claiming to be Kaufman's daughter and saying he was still alive.
Right. And the 24-year-old woman supposedly took the stage and talked briefly about Kaufman, the man she claims is her father. She said he never told the family he was a famous comedian and she had to look him up on YouTube to learn more. So, did Michael Kaufman reveal the greatest hoax?
Well, the story was later dismissed. Kaufman's close collaborator, Bob Smuda, has occasionally teased the possibility in interviews. If anyone can pull it off, it's Andy Kaufman. Number 2. Marilyn Monroe's death was a political hit.
What is the business of the CIA, which was involved, or the FBI, which was involved?
The death of Marilyn Monroe in 1962 was officially ruled a result of her taking her life. Yet, conspiracy theories have surrounded it for decades, largely because of Monroe's rumored relationships with powerful political figures, including John F. Kennedy and Robert F. Kennedy. Some researchers claim Monroe possessed sensitive information about those relationships and had become increasingly unstable in the weeks before her death.
She was very nervous about her phone being bugged and asked me if I knew anyone.
Others point to inconsistencies reported in witness accounts and the timeline surrounding the discovery of her body. Numerous books and investigations have explored the possibility that powerful individuals may have wanted to silence. No definitive evidence has ever proven foul play, but the unanswered questions keep this theory alive.
An unnamed informant quoted Marilyn as saying she just days earlier lunched with President Kennedy at Peter Lawford's house on the beach. They had, she said, discussed the morality of atomic testing.
Before we continue, you have the option to be notified for occasional videos or all of them. If you're on your phone, make sure you go into your settings and switch on notifications.
Number 1. Stevie Wonder can actually see.
I totally believe.
Rumors have circulated that legendary musician Stevie Wonder may not be blind at all.
I got my license.
Really?
I can't.
You saw my license?
Wait a minute. I don't. I don't.
You left it back at the...
You know, did you go in my pocket?
Wonder, who lost his sight shortly after birth due to complications from premature delivery, has fueled the myth through seemingly uncanny moments. One viral example often cited involves Wonder appearing to catch a falling microphone stand during a performance. Stories from celebrities have added to the intrigue. Former Shaquille O'Neal once said that Wonder recognized him in an elevator.
I'm already in the building. I'm coming through the lobby. Door opens. It's Stevie Wonder. He comes in, says, "What's up, Shaq?" Presses the button. All that you doing? Presses the button. Gets off of the
በነገራችን ላይ ሻክ እኮ ከገባ ማየት አይጠበቅብሽ።
ሻክ ውስጥ ነበር ስቲቪ
እኮ የሆነ እንትኑ አለው እኮ ኤግዚስታንስ ይሰማሻል እኮ እንዴ
ወራም ሻክ
I go to this room. I went and called every person I know. You got another thing. What's up, Shaq? How you doing?
Meanwhile, Paul McCartney has teased the rumor in interviews. These and other anecdotes have helped turn this into one of the most persistent celebrity conspiracies, one that plenty of people believe to be true. Let us know which one seems the most believable.
I believe in you.
አንቺስ የሰማሽው እስከ ኮንስፓይረሲ እኛ አይደለም እነሱ ቱፓክ በህይወት አለ ሰምቻለሁ።
ቱፓክ በህይወት አለ።
ኦኬ ዩፎ ኤሪያ 51 የዩፎች እንትን ማባያ ነው። እሱ ሊሆን ይችላል።
ትክክለኛ እንትን ይመስለኛል።
ሊሆን ይችላል። እሺ ብዙ ሰዎች ይወሰዳሉ በዩፎች።
እሱም አለ ሌላ ኮንስፓይረሲ
ከዩፎ ጋር የተያዘ ነው እንጂ
አብዛኛው ኮንስፓይረሲ ሌላ ብዙ አሉ። አሁን እንደውም ማስታወሳችንም እንጂ
እስቲ የእናንተንም የሰማችሁትን አብሶ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ቢሆን ደግሞ ደስ ይላል። ኮንስፓይረሲ ቲዮሪዎችን ኮሜንት ላይ እውነትም ሊሆን ይችላል ኮሜንት ላይ ድሮፕ አድርጉልን። አብራችሁን ስለነበራችሁ እናመሰግናለን። ባይ
ቻው ቻው።